Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of outfit styling. It's been a really long time since I've done an outfit video on my channel, but I wanted to show you guys how I've been putting together some of the different thrifted and handmade items in my summer wardrobe. So I put together 4 different outfits today that I'm really excited to show you guys. But before we get to the outfits, I'm so excited to tell you guys we have a sponsor for today's video, Ana Luisa Jewelry. They're an awesome, sustainable jewelry company, and they've given me 3 different pieces of jewelry that I'm going to be styling with my outfits today. So let me tell you a little bit more about them and show you the jewelry pieces, and then we will jump into the outfits. So here are the pieces from Ana Luisa Jewelry that I'll be styling today. They're so beautiful. I particularly love this pair of blue and white hoop earrings. I think they almost look like blue and white china. They're so beautiful, but on the back they're gold, so they're more versatile because you could turn them either way and one side would show more than the other, which I think is really cool. And then they also sent over a beautiful pair of pearl studs, which I love because I have a second piercing and I like to wear pearl earrings in that second piercing, but the ones I have are broken, so I'm really excited to replace them with these beautiful little earrings. And then going along with those, I also got this dainty gold necklace with the tiniest little pearl, which I think is so beautiful. It's kind of a more modern take on something that's really classic, like a pearl necklace. So I think all of these pieces will look really beautiful together, but they'll also go really well with all the other jewelry in my collection. So I'm super excited about that. They seem like they're really high quality, they're tarnish free, and they're made out of recycled materials as well, which I think is super cool. Ana Luisa Jewelry also has the goal of being carbon zero by the end of 2020, which I think is amazing. I love that they use recycled materials and minimal packaging to keep things as sustainable as possible in their jewelry production. I think that is so great to see from a brand, so I love that. They're also priced really fairly without high markups, so the prices begin at $39 and go up from there. And I do have a discount code for you guys, so if you would like to receive 10% off your order from Ana Luisa Jewelry, you can use the code LaurenJ10 for 10% off. So thank you so much to Ana Luisa Jewelry for sponsoring this video and also for the beautiful pieces. I'm so excited to get to wear them. So for this first outfit, I decided to play around a little bit with some neutral colors, and if you've been following me for a while, you might know that I tend to wear a lot of color. I'm not so much into neutrals. So I decided to start out with this black and white striped t-shirt. This is one that I made on my channel earlier this summer, so I'll link to any videos about sewing projects either in a card or down below in case you guys want to check them out. This pattern is the Deer and Doe Patterns Plantain t-shirt, and it's made out of this really nice black and white striped knit. It's a super comfortable piece, so this has definitely been one I've been loving. And I decided today to pair it with this little linen midi skirt that I thrifted from Goodwill last summer, I think it was, maybe a few years ago actually. And it's a really great piece, but it's one that I've honestly had a little bit of trouble styling, so I thought why not try it with a classic black and white striped tee and see how that looked together. And I actually really liked the final result. This skirt is super comfortable. It's got an elasticated waist and side pockets, so it's one of those pieces that's really comfortable to wear, especially in summer. Now to make it a little bit more casual, I decided to pair it with my white leather sneakers. These are from Madewell, and I've gotten so much use out of them since I got them. I wear them almost every day. They're super comfortable and easy to wear, and I think they make any outfit just look a little bit more casual and cool, so I love that. And then the bag I chose to wear with this outfit is this vintage Coach bag, which is the Regina style, and I got this on Etsy years ago. If you've been following me for a long time, you've definitely seen this before because I've had it and loved it for years. It's one of those pieces that I use all the time. It's got a crossbody strap, so I think that adds to the casual look of this outfit. And then of course the jewelry is all the Ana Luisa pieces that you saw at the beginning of the video. So for this next outfit, I wanted to play around with styling this little blue blouse, and this is one of the thrift flips that I've done on my channel this year. It was originally a thrifted maxi skirt, and I made it into this top with this scalloped necked detail and this button front, and I think it's so cute. It's one of those pieces that I've really gotten a lot of use out of this summer, and I think it's one of my favorite projects so far, so I love that. And today I've styled it with this pair of white pants, which is how I've been wearing it a lot in my day-to-day life. These are from Everlane a few years ago, and I really, really like them. I love the blue and white together. I think it looks super summery and cute. And then for accessories, I decided to wear this with my ballet flats, which I wear all the time, and I think that they look really cute with the colors here. They're this neutral colored leather. They are from Aerosoles, I believe. And then for my bag, I have this vintage basket bag, which is one of my favorite vintage finds. I got this last summer on eBay, and you can definitely find the same or similar styles. So I'll link to some down below on eBay or Etsy that you guys can check out if you want to buy something similar. But I think it's so cute, and it just adds a really cool detail to any outfit. It's like a little baby picnic basket, so I think it's super cute. This next outfit kind of reminds me of what my babysitters used to wear in the 90s, but I think it's super, super cute. So first off, I have this t-shirt that is one that I made on my channel earlier this week actually, and it's this boxy fit in this cute floral print, which I just love. I think it's so cute. And then I also have this pair of jeans, which are from Thrifted, and they're really, really comfortable. They're kind of a baggy, distressed style, which is actually not something I'm super comfortable with styling myself. I feel like it's a little bit too cool for me, but I think they're super comfy and cute, so I really wanted to give it a try. So I have these on with the top, and then I also have on a brown leather belt that's from Thrifted. I think places like Thrifted and thrift stores are such great places to find things like belts or leather accessories because they're usually really cheap, but if you find that at a department store or something like that, it's going to be really expensive and usually overpriced. So that belt was $7 on Thrifted, and I wear it all the time. And then for my bag, I have this vintage Coach crossbody that I got on Thrifted earlier this year, and this is one of my favorite pieces. I've been wearing this almost every day. I just think it's so great and classic and just really easy to use, so I love this. And then for my shoes, once again, I have my white sneakers because these just go with everything and I wear them all the time. And then for this last outfit, I wanted to play around with styling one of the dresses that I've made this year. So this is the one that I chose. It's a polka dotted linen blend dress, and it's so, so pretty. I love this material and I love the sleeve detailing. But I often find that I don't wear my dresses as often as I would like because they feel a little bit too fancy for my day-to-day life, which is very, very casual and laid back. So I thought today I would try styling this in a little bit more of a casual way. My first instinct would be to put this with like espadrille wedges and a basket bag and make it all pretty and summery, but I decided to do something a little bit different today. So I'm styling this with sneakers and then this vintage Coach crossbody, which I think both of those really help to dress the dress down, and I think that looks super cute. So I think that works really well on its own, but I also really like how it looks with the denim jacket added on. I think the pop of blue looks really good with all of the neutral colors in the dress and the accessories. So when it gets a little bit cooler, I think that's definitely how I'll be wearing this. It's definitely too hot for this right now where I live, but as we go into late summer and early fall, a denim jacket is a nice thing to have with you. So I think that works really well as well to dress it down. So I think the overall result definitely succeeded in looking a lot more casual than how I would usually style this. So that was really fun for me to kind of experiment with. Oh, I did forget to mention that this denim jacket is also thrifted. So the only thing I think in this that's not thrifted or handmade are the white Everlane pants, just so you guys know. 4 different outfits that I put together for this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing them. It was really fun for me to just kind of play dress up with the clothes that I've made and thrifted recently. So I hope you enjoyed it as well. Let me know if you'd like to see more styling videos on my channel. I know a few of you guys have been requesting this recently, so let me know if that's something that you're interested in. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out on my channel today. I really appreciate it. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe by clicking the red button down below. That'll just let you stay notified when I post new videos in the future. I post a lot about sewing, thrifting, and style. So if any of those 3 categories sound interesting, I should have something for you. And if you'd like to keep up with me outside of YouTube, Instagram is the place to do that. So I'll put my username up here on the screen in case you'd like to check me out over there. I post a little bit of behind the scenes of my videos as well as my everyday life. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. I'll have it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much to Ana Luisa Jewelry for sponsoring this video and for the beautiful jewelry pieces. Be sure and go check them out by the link down below, and also use the code LaurenJ10 for 10% off your order. It's really beautiful jewelry, so I hope you guys go check it out and maybe treat yourself to something new. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!
Just hold on tight, it'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside.